Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use payment links in QuickBooks Online. This easy method helps you get paid faster and more efficiently. Payment links provide a convenient way for your customers to pay you directly without needing a formal invoice. You can share these links through email, text, or even social media, making it incredibly flexible. This feature is designed to simplify your financial transactions and improve your cash flow significantly. Creating a payment link in QuickBooks Online is straightforward. First, from your dashboard, locate the new button and choose Payment Link from the options. Next, you will specify the item or service your customer is paying for and enter the exact amount. You can also add a brief description to help your customer understand the payment's purpose. This process takes less than 1 minute, ensuring you can quickly generate and send out payment requests. Once your payment link is ready, sharing it is simple. You can copy the link and paste it into an email, a text message, or even a chat application. Your customer then clicks the link, enters their payment information securely, and completes the transaction. QuickBooks Online automatically updates the payment status, allowing you to monitor all incoming funds. This provides real-time visibility into your receivables, helping you manage your finances effectively. Utilizing payment links offers several key benefits for your business. They significantly speed up the payment collection process, often reducing payment times by several days. Customers appreciate the convenience of paying securely with just a few clicks, using their preferred method. For best practices, always verify the payment has been recorded in QuickBooks Online before delivering goods or services. This ensures accuracy and maintains smooth financial operations for your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.